To set talkback to speak the name first when describing an element in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Next, scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap advanced setting. Under control section, tap element description order. And then select name, type, state. By choosing this option, talkback will describe an element by speaking its name, then its type, and then its state. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.